This is a CR-10 S5 we just got done working on. We converted the whole machine over to 24 volts, so swapped out the fans, the power supply, the heater cartridge. Now this already had an AC bed on here, which is why it was great for doing the 24 volt conversion. So going to 24 volts on these older machines gives the motors a little bit more torque, allows you to use heater cartridges that heat up a little bit faster, although you can get 12 volt ones that heat quick. They just pull more amps. So this is probably at least the 20th S5 we've worked on. This one originally came from Tiny Machines, and we changed out the BL Touch that was failing for a CR Touch, upgraded them from a 4010 to a 5015 fan on here. This mount and the BL Touch mount we did in ABS here, and now we're running the first test print. Now we do have a flex plate coming for this to get rid of the glass, but I wanted to get the printer printing since we just changed out everything on it. And on these printers, I typically run spread cycle mode if we're putting a board with Trinamics in it. This has an SKR E3 Mini V3 in it, because you will get step loss more likely on these larger beds because they're so heavy. So running spread cycle gives you more reliability, whereas stealth chop, it'll be a little quiet. But honestly, the loudest thing on this, even with these motors all running in spread cycle instead of stealth chop, is the layer fan here. So we're going to let this finish, and then we're just waiting on the flex plate to come in. We had to special order that since we don't have this size. And then we'll get this on here, and then we're going to get this sent back out to our customer. But she came out great, and she's printing real nice.